Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's Focus of the Day session. In this session, we are going to talk about a very interesting development, that is the live stream proceedings of Supreme Court which began today. We shall be covering this particular topic in the following sequence. We shall be understanding the whole news and then the key points regarding the development, the background and the recent nitty-gritties, followed by the Ecodes Project and of course your prelims and mains based practice questions as well. Before we move further, I want you to pay attention to this very crucial announcement, that is for the Foundation Course 2023 of Polity and Ethics that began yesterday. You can take admissions in the same, and that is through contacting us on the given numbers or visiting us in our office in Old Rajendra Nagar Market. Also, new public administration batch is going to begin on 25th of September and the current affair classes are going to begin in the first week of September itself. So, please make sure that you avail and make the most out of these opportunities and add more value to your UPSC CSE preparation. So let's talk about the news now. The Supreme Court today called for an expert committee and an all-party meeting to discuss on freebies. The order was live streamed in a historic first to mark outgoing Chief Justice N.V. Ramona's last day in his position today. So the key points regarding this development are: the Supreme Court went live on Friday, that is today, with streaming its first proceeding more than 3 years after a Supreme Court ruling itself recommended live streaming of its hearings. The live stream ran through the webcast of the National Informatics Center, that is NIC. So what was this judgment in which Supreme Court recommended live stream its proceedings? So by a judgment in 2018, the Supreme Court had declared live telecast of proceedings is a part of right to access justice under Article 21 of the Constitution, and saying this as well, that openness was like sunlight, which is the best disinfectant in itself. The Supreme Court bench at that time said that as a pilot project, only a specified category of cases which are of constitutional or national importance and are being argued before a constitution bench should be live streamed. Thereafter, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal had also given a statement and suggested that the live streaming of important cases in the Chief Justice's court can be started on a pilot basis. The Attorney General had said that the process can be adopted in other courtrooms depending on the success of the pilot project, and this seems like the same. However, it remains unclear whether this will henceforth be regular feature of telecast of the ceremonial bench or it was just for this time as a pilot project. The Supreme Court's E-Committee, which is headed by Justice Dhananjay Y. Chandrachud, had been working on a proposal to launch an exclusive platform for live streaming court proceedings. However, right now we know that NIC's webcast was used. However, Supreme Court and its E-Committee is working on creating an exclusive platform for Supreme Court's live streaming. Supreme Court proceedings live streaming. The proposition to have an exclusive platform to live stream apex court proceedings formed part of the third phase of the Ecodes Project as well, which is an ambitious initiative to implement the use of information and technology in India's judiciary. And subsequently, Supreme Court's E-Committees came out with model guidelines to regulate live streaming of court proceedings in India. Currently, Supreme Court has given model guidelines. Supreme Court's E-Committee has given model guidelines on how you are to conduct your live streaming, and following those guidelines already certain high courts are doing it. So currently 6 high courts in the country, namely Gujarat, Orissa, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Patna and Madhya Pradesh live stream their proceedings through their own channels on YouTube. Now let's talk about this Ecodes project, underneath which, in the third phase of which, the live stream was a part. So, the Ecodes project was conceptualized on the basis of National Policy and Action Plan for Implementation of Informatics and Communication Technology (ICT) in the Indian Judiciary 2005, submitted by E-Committee, Supreme Court of India, with a vision to transform the Indian judiciary by information and communication technology enablement of courts. The Ecodes Mission Mode project is a pan-India project monitored and funded by the Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India for district courts across the country. The project envisages to provide efficient and time-bound citizen-centric services delivery as detailed in the Ecodes Project Litigant Charter. To develop, install and implement decision support systems in the court, the Ecodes project was supposed to do this. To automate the process to provide transparency in the accessibility of information to its stakeholders, and to enhance judicial productivity both qualitatively and quantitatively, to make justice delivery system affordable, accessible, cost-effective, predictable, reliable and transparent for the public and general citizenry. So this topic remains crucial from GS2 or polity section as far as prelims is concerned. Let's look at the prelims practice question for this one. Consider the following statements about legal system in India. Number 1, right to free legal services is a fundamental right in India. Number 2, Ecodes project aims at efficient and time-bound legal service delivery to citizens which is under the aegis of Supreme Court of India itself. Which of the following statement is true? And your combinations are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, and D, neither 1 nor 2. I shall be discussing the answer of this particular question with you in tomorrow's session. The mains practice question for today is discuss the key challenges India is facing in terms of the digitization of judiciary and suggest measures that can be taken to overcome these challenges. You shall be answering this particular question in 150 words and send in your answers to us on WhatsApp to get them reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay tuned. Thank you so much for